Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really cool retro style shoe here. This was sent over by a company called K-Swiss. And this is their men's SI-18. It is their Revival piano shoe. This is the classic look from essentially the 1987 tennis shoes out there. Looks really, really nice icon here. So it's gonna come in multiple colors. I have the white and black one. Has this nice little banding here on the side. Obviously you have your laces. Now it does have essentially the DRC inch inspired lacing system. So that's kind of where it's going a little bit on the side. And then you got the nice actual lace string itself. Good traction here on the bottom. You got the little pop of red color as well. As far as the inside, you're not skimping back into the 80s. It has a nice cushion to it. So it's great for walking or if you're climbing or anything like that and you're just out about and moving, kind of running, jogging, playing tennis, if you will. It's got some nice rebound and cushion to it, which I like. It fits perfect. As far as I'm a size 11 and it fits exactly as I would expect a size 11 shoe would fit. So I'm very, very pleased with that aspect of it as well. And then the outside of it here is all made out of a nice faux leather with obviously the kind of stipple kind of texture, pebbled texture, if you will, on the back part. And then some parts are also got some smooth parts as well. And then you got the holes on the front that allow breathing near the toes. But overall, it's just a nice pair of shoes. So if you're looking for kind of that classic, iconic look of the classic tennis shoes, this is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.